Yeah, how do you feel to fail your squat,
Listen,
man?
I did 150 times 5 today. I'm a bit fatigued. I was a bit fatigued. I also did 140
I'm just hearing
times.
excuses,
140
bro.
times 6. I was just a bit
Guys, what do you
fatigued.
think of this failure, bro?
Bro, he's got that, man.
Oh, you think he's got it? What about you?
Yeah, the uncle's in the comments gonna burn him alive.
You're gonna get cooked, bro.